Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to continue our 25 days of Thanksgiving, and we are going to be cooking some turkey legs and turkey thighs. I found these at the grocery store and I thought people love dark meat, not necessarily the white meat. So let's go ahead and cook these up on the smoker and see how these turn out. Who doesn't love a smoked turkey leg? If you've been to any kind of fairgrounds, they always have smoked turkey legs and everybody loves them. So let's go ahead and cook these on the smoker and see how they turn out. All right, friends, so we are going to be injecting our breast with some flavoring. So I've got some homemade chicken stock and our poultry seasoning. And we're just going to go ahead and dump some of that poultry seasoning right in there. Give it a good shake. All right, friends, so here we have our legs and our thighs. We're gonna go ahead and pat them dry. All right, so let's go ahead and season the bottom of our legs and thighs. And then we'll go ahead and flip them over. Now we're gonna go ahead and inject them with our broth. And then go with our seasoning on top. All right, let's get these outside. All right, we are gonna place these on the smoker and we want skin side up. All right, friends, so I have the smoker set at 300 degrees and we're gonna let this go until the internal temperature comes out at 170. And then we'll go ahead and pull off our legs and thighs. So I'll see y'all back in a couple hours. All right, friends, I'm gonna come through with some butter and we're gonna go ahead and baste our thighs and our legs with some butter. These are not your friends, I promise. All right, friends, our legs and thighs are all done. Let's go ahead and pull them off. All right, friends, so we're gonna let these cool for a little bit and then we will come through and cut them up. All right, friends, they are ready to be handled. How they look. Look at how juicy that is. And then same thing with our leg here. Look at this. Ooh, still hot. But falls right off. All right, look at this. Doesn't that look amazing? All right, so let's get in here and try this thing out. What do we got? Oh man. That smoky flavor, and it's full of flavor. And it's so tender and juicy. Now this takes me back to fair foods when we're down there at the fair and you get your smoked turkey leg. So good. Now here is our thigh, big thigh. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Also very moist and tender. Just falls right off. Wow. See, for me, I like this better than the breast. This tastes better, way better to me. But not everybody's like that. Some people just love breast meat, but I like the thigh. So good. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this video of me smoking my thighs and legs of my turkey. Let me know in the comments if you are a white or a dark meat person. I love the thighs and the legs. So good. So until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.